Hey, super agents, Chris here from Sellstate Alliance Realty. We're all about boosting your success, which is why we're rolling out weekly tips and trick videos to help you rock your online marketing game. So here's a hot tip. It doesn't all have to be real estate on your social media page. A good rule of thumb is roughly 70% life, living, and fun, and 30% your job. Ultimately, people want to know about you, your interests, your hobbies. Do you like hiking, cooking, whatever it is? Your uniqueness makes you relatable. You are the secret sauce. Are you a martial artist, a makeup artist, a painting artist, a con artist? Okay, maybe not a con artist. Don't be afraid to stand out. Share what makes you unique. Share videos of your adventures, your culinary experiences, or even the occasional kitchen mishap. Remember, the key is to just start making videos now. Your first may not be your best, but it's the first step to your best. So get started today. Follow us on social media for more agent tricks and tips. Your journey to success begins now at Sellstate Alliance Realty.